Now, this is how much I've made, and this is also how much I've made from this platform. And you're not putting a dime to make money. This is not your regular platform that you invest money at the end of the day. You hear that this platform has crashed. No, this is just free money that I just made within a week. And you too can make this kind of money from the comfort of your home. All right, and the good thing is you're not putting a dime, you're not putting 1 naira to get 1 naira. All you need is just your data system. It's just a data and a smartphone like you have that you are watching me from. All right, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the name of the platform and everything you need to know about this platform. All right, so if this is the first time coming across my video, hello, my name is Grace and welcome to my channel. What we do here is to talk about money making platforms and how to grow our YouTube channel. So if this is anything close to what you want to be seeing on your screen, hit on the subscribe button and let's vibe together. Also give this video a thumbs up so that so many people will see this video, especially those who would have lost money in so many investment platforms, so that they'll be able to come and recover from this platform without putting a dime. Like I've said before, you're not putting a dime in this platform. Now, all you need to do is just to check the description box in this video and then register. Now the registration process might be a little bit tedious, sometimes might give you headache. So if it is not working for you at this particular time of you watching this video, just wait until early morning or around 12 in the morning, that is Nigerian time, and start registration and start registering. Okay, make sure you get the code and then input the code. All right, because that is the most important thing for you to do in this platform. And then immediately you register, I'm going to tell you 2 things you need to do before you start getting money on this platform. All right, and also I'm going to drop my WhatsApp link so that if in case you don't understand anything or how to convert your gems that I'm going to explain to you on this video, you can chat me up on WhatsApp or on my group. All right, so that we can gist more better on my WhatsApp group. All right. All right, so this is the website. I actually save it to my screen. All right, so that I can just come here and click on it. So let me just go ahead. And click on it. This personal center. So this personal center, that's what I want to click now because it's already saved to my home screen. All right, that's what I'm trying to explain. So I'm going to click on it. All right. So now this is it. I've already opened it before, so that's why it's showing this stuff here. So I'm going to log out and come in again. Now immediately you click on that, this is what will appear because I've already gone to the site. That is why this place refuses to show on my screen. I've already screenshotted this place. That is why this place is showing like this, just for the purpose of this video. All right, so when you want to register, just click on the link at the description box and then fill in your information just like this, the country in which you are. Click on the country, make sure the country code is showing like this. My own is +234 because I'm in Nigeria, and that is why it's showing like this. So you go ahead, put in your number, your email. Now for this email part, no need for you to put the Gmail because the Gmail is already there. For example, if your name is gail@gmail.com, just put in Gail, don't put at gmail.com. When you include at gmail.com, they will not accept it because at gmail.com is already there. All right, so just go in and put in the Gail and then leave the rest one because at gmail.com is already there. So now put in your national ID card. Yeah, so they'll ask you that, so you put in your national ID card and then your phone number, of course, and then they're going to send you a verification code. This is where I said that if you are not getting a verification code, because this really gave me hard time when I wanted to register for this update. All right, so you just do it early in the morning or around 12 in the night, like Nigerian time. All right, 12 a.m in the night. All right, just do it and it will work. Then enter your password, confirm password. Then this, please enter captcha. You just put in the number in front of it, then that's just all. Then click on register. All right, so immediately you register, they are going to ask you to log in again. All right, so immediately you log in, they're going to ask you to put in your password and the country code again. Make sure you put your country code, select your country in which you have for you to log in, because that's what you're going to be doing every day when you want to log in. So now, because I'm already logged in, I'm going to click on personal center. It's going to take me to my profile. All right, so first of all, click on this personal center. So now so now this is my personal center, all right, where you have your phone number, your username, and everything will be here like this. Now, for you to earn on this platform, is simply for you to log in every day and to refer people. All right. Now, this is my brother's account that I'm using to make this video. I've already withdrawn from this platform. I just wanted a a beginner friendly video, you understand, but I even went to register first before doing this video, you understand, because my brother was disturbing me, and as of that time I was not having the chance to do the video, so I just went ahead to register for him. So I said, let me just do the video, and show it to you guys here. So when you log in like this, your dashboard is going to be like this. So now any person you invite is going to show here. The fans zero, all right, it's going to show here, you understand. Now this is how you will sign in every single day. It is not for you to on your profile like this, so you have to come here under this gems, my gems, you see signed in, you understand. Now this place is a little bit blurry, or let me say is a little bit, it's not bold because I've already signed in already, but yours, this signed in will show red somehow, and this place will be bold. That's what I'm saying in essence, all right. This signed in column, this line column here will be bold. So make sure you click on every day. Just come here and click on this signed in. Yeah, click on the signed in. All right, that is when it will be recorded that you've signed in already. It's not by you coming to the website, all right. So you have to come in here and click on the sign in, and you sign in, they're going to give you 400 gems, all right, and anybody you invite, they are going to be giving a lot of gems as well. Yeah, so now I've told you that is only the two ways you can make money here is to sign in and then to refer people. That is as simple as that. That is the two ways you can earn on this platform doing nothing, all right. So now this is the days I've already signed in for my brother. I've already signed in like 4 days. So as you're signing in every day, they're going to be giving you extra coin. If you calculate this coin now, is less than the amount I have here. Is this my brother's account is having 4,000, but I've already signed in for just 5 days. If you calculate it to see that it is lesser, you understand, compared to these ones here. All right, so this is just how to sign in, and then your gems will appear here. This 400, you can see the dates, the date will be recorded here. All your activity, like the number of days I've signed in, will be recorded here. All right, so make sure you take note of that. All right, so now when you want to withdraw here, when you want to withdraw, you come up here, and click on this arrow that is facing up. All right, you click on it. Now when you click on it, you will see my assets. All right, so you go ahead and click on my assets. Now when you click on my asset, now this account has 0.6 USDT. That is how to know if you are able to, this is how to check if you are qualified to withdraw or not. All right, I think their minimum withdrawal was $20, but now I'm hearing it's $10 now. I don't know how true is that, but this is basically the place that you can withdraw your money from. All right, so now you click on the withdraw, you see the withdrawal, this thing, everything will show here, you understand. So if you have your Binance, you can put it here, or your Bybit, you can put it here to withdraw. Do you understand? So this is basically how you can withdraw from this platform. And if you want to swap, or if you want to transfer your gems to somebody, click on this transfer, you understand. You can transfer your gems to that person. All right, so now if you want to now swap, now you click on flash swap. So now I told you that the minimum withdrawal is 20 dollars. I told you that the minimum withdrawal is $20, but now they've reduced to $10. If you have up to $10, gems, if you click this place, you click on maximum. If you have up to $10, if you come to this place, you click on maximum. Just because I don't have to $10, you can see it's just 4,000 gems that I have, and it's not up to $10 or $20, so I cannot withdraw here. So this is basically how you can withdraw from this platform. All right, so this is just all I have to tell you now. guys. So if this video was helpful, please help me give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube pushes out, and also subscribe to my channel for more ways to make money online. Alright, remember this is free. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.